To keep your shelter as new as possible for as long as possible, it's a good idea to make sure your shelter is up to date with its maintenance. We recommend annual visual inspections to ensure the condition of your shelter doesn't deteriorate severely over time. This video is here to give you a helping hand when going through the maintenance process to make sure your shelter stays as good as new. We want your shelter to remain in good condition and outlast your warranty period. Making sure a visual inspection is conducted by a competent person each year will ensure your structure's integrity remains intact. The following should be checked during your inspection. All nuts, bolts and screws. These should be seated correctly and fixed snug tight. Please ensure to tighten as required. The frame and other components. Make sure everything is sitting correctly. All components should be checked for cracks of physical damage. If any are found, please make Allshelter aware immediately. All braces and cables. These should be tight and firm. Check for any rusting or flaking of the steel's protective coating. If any is present, then the area should be touched up as per the on-site touch-up procedure. If any part of the protective coating shows signs of corrosion, rusting or flaking, the affected area should be touched up to ensure its life expectancy. To correctly touch up your coating, follow these steps. 1. Remove all loose and poorly adhered coatings by power tool or hand sanding from the affected area. 2. Abrade the edge of the sound finish coat approximately 10 mm around the affected area to ensure a good adhesion of the paint to be applied. 3. Ensure the surface is clean and dry before applying paint. 4. Apply 3 coats of zinc-rich, cold galvanizing paint by brush or roller, ensuring coats are allowed to dry before applying the next coat. The entire structural steel frame should be cleaned so that it is free of dust and debris every 2 years. Mix general purpose detergent with water in a bucket and then, using a soft brush or sponge, apply the cleaning solution, repeating until the area is clean before rinsing with water and drying. When conducting your annual visual inspection, checking your fabric cover is crucial. The fabric should still be correctly tensioned and all fixing points should remain intact, meaning that ratchets should be tightened and tails tied off if needed. Check that the fabric remains mark, tear and rip free and that all screws in batten and extrusion are still intact. Have an end wall. Make sure that nothing is in contact with the fabric as this voids the warranty. Please check that the fabric is tensioned correctly with minimal wrinkles. If you have a door of some kind, whether it's a personnel door, a roller door, or any other kind of door, it is important to ensure that they are in working order. You don't want your door to break. Check that your door has a door pin retainer and that it is functioning properly and that the door pin hole is free from any debris. It would be a good idea to clean this out just in case, as well as clearing any rubbish from your door tracks. Check that your rollers, hinges and/or door pins are well lubricated. If you have a door made from fabric, ensure that it is tensioned correctly. In the rare and sometimes unavoidable circumstance where unforeseen events occur, it is important to conduct a one-off special inspection to check your shelter's condition. These events include, but are not limited to, substantial earthquakes, any fire in a close proximity to the shelter, extreme wind events such as cyclones, or any other heavy impacts from external elements. Even though our shelters have been engineered to withstand the harshest of conditions, it is always in your best interest to check. It is extremely important that you fill out your warranty document as soon as your shelter has been installed. Despite our 10-year warranty benefit, many customers don't take advantage of it. We require the warranty document to be successfully processed by Allshelter in order for any warranty claims to be valid. If you have successfully completed your warranty form, we recommend keeping a record of any and all maintenance that occurs to be supplied to Allshelter in case any warranty claims arise. Any damage found on the structure should be reported to Allshelter immediately so the proper corrective measure can be put in place. Want something to refer back to? We have a handy maintenance checklist and flyer available for your convenience. Contact us for more information. Maintaining your shelter is key to its longevity and your peace of mind. Keep it well maintained and it will serve you for years to come.